This shop now, you see this last shop. Anything we not see for this shop, not say no be me.
That is what you said.
For this, like everybody know it now. And I'm not saying you don't finish for my shop, but you see, that's what you buy.
You just they carry you walk up and down.
Madam, come
You
on.
do one there.
She been a full cream.
But I'm customer.
Nah, yeah.
Okay. Hey, what the yes, sir. How are you?
No.
Tell her what. Oh, that please give me
Full cream. Hey.
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
I will want anything where you want today.
Okay, Tikwe in Henelu and Walker.
Nice, eh?
Tikwe in Henelu.
Okay, I'm the.
How much?
This one at 35.
Ah, he said cheap.
3,500.
The other woman give us 3,700 now. I thought you said they're cheap here.
This one at 35.
Nadila.
This one at Coca Cola.
No, me, I don't want. This is what I come to buy here.
Milonko.
Okay, I'll see what in here.
Okay, now full cream we want.
Hey.
I thought you said Nadila be this.
But the price much is very high.
No, this was Nadila.
Look around.
Now retailer.
And anything where you want there, see what? This one, uncle.
Why you they show me stuff? Me, I don't want. This is what's carrying me to come business. What is the price that you talk? 3,500. Something that I bought on 2 weeks ago.
You know,
I
so
know how
market
much
they
that I
change
bought
you.
it.
Okay, you only know what to go and let it go in Henelu.
Okay, you sure that this is the price?
Original one. They go ask of me for this time. Only me they get all this kind of original.
That's Spencer supermarket.
Only me. How many
My
times?
money that I come with, she's not, I don't know, man, she's not rich that amount. Okay, you sure that she's the price?
Agwakwara ngi Tikwe in Henelu. No no work wherever Tikwe in Henelu.
Bioga, can you find it in any fact?
Spencer. Everybody there. You change it all, change.
Name my young man, a book, not take a shine, can you find it in that? Okay, bring out that, bring it out. Can you find it in any farm? The first shop, second shop, madam, this same shop again, can you find it in any farm?
Yeah, we're going to do more general full cream. When you're done with that,
yeah, Ndibo nego. If you me kwa unu. Yeah, how much is the last price? No, anyone no.
No, 35.
Put that for nylon, make her they go. You guys, you people, you be cheating. You cannot be true. You cannot be true.
No, I don't cheat you.
Buy it, I don't know whether you shall you use your mansion with that money that you put on top. Thank you for watching that video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to always share the video whenever you watch it. She make Aisha feel that guy. To these people, they like the video, they like it very much. And Kuma, I brought it to you that I am open for any advert, any sort of advert. You want to promotion your goods, you want to promotion your services, you want to advertise, you want to the whole world, the whole people of India, Thailand, China, Nigeria, Gambia, Womberia, everybody want them to watch and to see the product that you sell. I can do that. You come to me, there is always a discount. You call my management's number, the number on the videos, she's management, you should call her and you will take out the labari. And come up for shout out. I do shout out. You want to shout out to your loved ones, you want to tell them yes, you are son and your hash is beating for them. I do shout out, birthday shout out, bed shout out, death shout out, any shout out, I do it. And if you want to watch more of our video, go to Yambaba Canadian on YouTube. You shall see all of Aisha's video and Ozebu Bobo. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for always showing me love. I also love you so much. Bye bye.